Okay, question number 1. This is very simple question. A refreshment center in railway station has two counters. Self-service opted by 60% of customers. Attended service opted by 40% of customers. Both counters can serve one person at a time. The arrival rate of customers is given by following probability distributions. Formulate the associate intervals of two-digit random numbers for generating the type of service arrival rate. So here we have to formulate random numbers for two different situations, that is type of service, arrival rate. So in type of service, two services are there. One is self-service, another is attended service. Probability of self-service is 60%. Probability of attended service is 40%. So random numbers, if you arrange, first we have to calculate cumulative probability. So cumulative probability will be 60 and 100. 60 plus 40, 100. So random numbers will be 0 to 59, 60 to 99. This is for services. Next, arrival rate separately. 1 to 3, 1, 3, 4, 0, 2. This is the arrivals. Probability is already given. So for this, we have to calculate cumulative probability and random range of random numbers. Range of random numbers. So first solution. The statement of random number allocation. First we are doing for directly here I will write statement of random number allocations for services. The first is type of service. First is what? Type of service. Probability. Range of random numbers. So this is required actually. Okay. So first type of service. First service is what? Self-service. Second is attended service. So here probability is 60%. This is 40%. Download this. This is first answer. Okay. Next is statement of random number allocation for arrivals. Okay. Okay, next is for arrivals. So first arrival is how much? 1340. 13402. 0.1, 0.3, 0.05, 0.20, 0.35. So this is the answer. Copy this. In this question, these two tables only required. Generally, prediction is not tested. What we have to predict, that is not given. What we have to estimate, that is not given. चलिए solution completed. Now we are starting question number 3. So ABC Cooperative Bank receive and disburses different amounts of cash in each month. The bank has an opening cash balance of 15 crores. The opening cash balance is 15 crores here. In the first month, the pattern of receipts and disbursement from past data is as follows. Monthly cash receipts 30, 42, 36, 99 crores. Probability is given. Monthly cash disbursement also given in crores and probability. Simulate the cash position over a period of 12 months. Calculate the probability that ABC Cooperative Bank will fall short in payment. So you have to calculate probability here. Calculate average monthly shortfall. If ABC Limited gets an overdraft facility 45 crores from other nationalized bank, what is the probability that they will fall short in monthly payments? If overdraft facility is given, again we have to find out probability of shortfall in the payments. So use the following sequence of paired random numbers. So how many trials given? 12. So for these 12 trials, we have to check what is the position of bank, whether they are having sufficient cash balance or they are having any shortfall also. This question we have to solve in two different ways. One is without overdraft facility, second is with overdraft facility. Because here in point number 3, overdraft is given 45 crores. So if overdraft is given, again there is a shortfall in payments. If there is no overdraft also, there is a shortfall in payments or not. So both we have to calculate here. Okay. So first calculation is statement of random number allocation. So we have to prepare the statement of random number allocation for monthly cash receipts and monthly cash disbursement. So in one table itself, you can do both calculations. Suppose if you make the breakup for this, this is for cash receipts, suppose. This is for cash disbursement. Okay. So first amount, probability, cumulative, random numbers. Okay, so first in monthly receipts 30, just 1 minute, this is in given crores. $42, 36, 99. This is the first table. Okay. Now next is what? Calculate the probability that the ABC Corporation Bank will fall short in payments. So first, according to the random numbers given, we have to calculate T in which circumstance payment is short or payment is managed. Okay. So they have given pairs of random numbers here. So one pair is given, one set is given for receipts, one is given for payments. So next. Statement of simulation. Okay. So statement of simulation, or you can write a statement of simulated means cash disbursement or cash receipts. The statement of simulation, if you write, everything will cover here. So first I am preparing the column for cash receipt. Okay. Then random number. Okay. So cash receipt, random number. Clear? Yeah, you can write trial number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then random number. Thereafter you can write cash. Okay. Then again payment. Random numbers related to payments. Okay. So first days given, months given, months given, sorry. Months 1, 2, 12 months. Okay. So random number for receipts. Okay. So this is receipt. Okay, then random number for payments. This is payments. Payments or disbursement. Okay, now receipts, payments. So what will come? Closing balance. What will come? Closing balance. Closing balance. चलिए, so first random number for receipts 17. Last number is 9. Okay, so if random number is 17, what is the expected receipt? 30. 30. Okay, next. If random number 74, next. Next. 42. 68. 36. 93. 54. 42. 96. बराबर है अभी. Random number is 99. 96 है वो. अच्छा, राइट. नेक्स्ट. चलिए, रैंडम नंबर फॉर पेमेंट्स 70. नेक्स्ट. 72. Next again 58. Okay, so random number for payments. So 78. 16. 35. 'Okay, now in starting they have mentioned some opening balance also, 15. So beginning of the month. Okay, so this will be 30 plus 15. This will be 30 plus 15. You do not add this, answer mistake हो जाएगा फिर. Clear? Because starting they mentioned 15 cash balance opening. So this statement of simulation is without overdraft. This is without overdraft. Okay, so closing balance 45, 57. Okay, so this will become the opening balance for next month. This will become the opening balance for next month. So next month opening balance 12 हो जाएगा. Clear? If you want to prepare opening balance column, एक और column बना लेना आप. Okay? आपकी मर्जी है वो तो. Clear? Otherwise directly 42 and 12 and 60. In this way also you can calculate. Choice is yours. If you are interested, you can prepare the opening balance column. Okay? Otherwise directly also you can calculate. Suppose if you are preparing opening balance column, तो ये यहाँ पर लिख देना है आपको. Clear? So opening balance plus receipt minus payment. Closing balance how much? Minus 12. Now this will be next month opening balance. Okay? So 42 minus 12 minus 60. Next. Minus 33. Minus 52. एक जना आराम से कोई भी बोलो, आराम से. गड़बड़ क्यों कर रहे हो? 51. Next. 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 Negative. Next. 63 negative. Three negative. अच्छा. Next. Positive negative. Next. Positive negative. Next. 15 positive. So this is closing balance. Okay. So what is they are asking? Calculate the probability that ABC Cooperative Bank will fail all short in payment. So how many times they are having short? 10 times. Out of 12, 10 times they don't have the sufficient cash balances. So 10 times they are falling short here. So first answer is probability of ABC Cooperating Bank falling so 10 out of 12. 10 out of 12. How much? 0.8. So 83%. 83.33. So 83.33%. This is the first answer. Okay, next is what? Calculate average monthly shortfall. तो ऐड करो ये पूरा. First add negative figures. $342 negative. नेगेटिव करो ओनली टोटल, प्लस माइनस नहीं करना उसमें से. See what is asking, calculate every monthly shortfall. Shortfall means minus figures. 399. So 399 figure, only this total required. They are asking shortfall. So don't, generally accounting students will do what? First they will calculate minus total, then plus total will be subtracted, net they will answer. But in that way if you answer, that is wrong. That is called as total of average. So total of average is not required. Negative average is required. Negative average. So negative average means this one. This one. Okay. This total only required. Clear? So this totals only students have to calculate. Plus subtraction is not required. Okay. So if you average this 399 divided by 10. 399 divided by 10. Or we have to divide with 12. 399 by 10 or 399 by 12. चलिए बोलो आंसर का देखेंगे. This will be 399 by 10 or 399 by 12. Because we are not taking 12 figures now here. We are taking 10 figures only. Yes, but this number of observations are 10 only. Okay, so if you divide with 12, number of observation will be 12 here. So 399 by 12 how much? 33.25. Only if you take 399, it means that is negative figure. And this is also 10 months now. Out of 12 months, 10 months there is a shortfall. So in 10 months, what is the average shortfall? That is 39.9 also. That is 39.9 also. So 39.9 crores. This is what? 39.9 crores. Suppose if you take 12 months, then it will change. 33 point something जो बोले वो आएगा. Clear? Next, third point is what? If overdraft facility is given, first you can copy this. पहले कॉपी कर लो, पहले इसको कॉपी कर लो आप. देख लीजिए आंसर में क्या है इधर. 39.9. 12 से डिवाइड कर देते हैं आप लोग. कितने ऑब्जर्वेशन है? 10 से करना है आपको. ओके, चलिए लिखिए इसे. आफ्टर दिस विल स्टार्ट ओवरड्राफ्ट. Closing balance is opening balance plus receipt minus payment. Closing balance is what? Opening balance plus receipt minus payment. This column is opening balance plus receipt minus payment. Okay, very simple. Opening balance plus receipts minus payment. ओके, तो यहाँ लिख लीजिए आप. तो opening balance plus receipt minus payment. First table completed. Second workings also completed. Always remember, simulation questions are time consuming questions. So speed is important in exam. Okay, next third point. Third point is ABC Bank can get overdraft facility of 45 crores. So again we have to check ki any shortfall is there or not. So very simple. Only in opening balance column, here we have to add 45 overdraft also. Here we have to add 45 overdraft also. I will write with different color, then we'll go for the final solution. Okay. Don't do this in table, first understand. So 15 opening balance, 45 overdraft is giving. So 60 हो गया ये. 60 plus receipt how much? 30, 90. 90 minus 57, 33 plus 33. So this is closing balance. Now opening will be 33 here. So 33 plus 42 minus 60. 12. कैलकुलेटर लो, आराम से बोलो, क्योंकि ऑनलाइन बच्चे रहते ना कंफ्यूज हो जाते. ओके, आराम से बोलो. 33 plus 42 minus 60. ओके. 15 plus 36 minus 39. 12 plus 42 minus 60 minus negative. Okay. Minus 3 minus 9. 24. Next. 21 minus. Next. $42 plus. Plus next 37 plus 60 plus. Okay, so this is final answer. So very simple. How many times negative figure coming? 5 times. So out of 12, 5 times negative figure is coming. So 5 times payment is short. So 5 by 12 how much? 41 point 41.66%. आ गया आंसर, मीन्स 42. राउंड ऑफ करें तो कितना आएगा? 42. दैट्स इट, वेरी सिंपल. क्लियर? So this required. So same table we have to prepare and we have to do this adjustments. Okay? तो इसको हटा देंगे आप. क्लियर? हटा देंगे टेबल ये. Means in one table also we can do this calculation, but I am preparing separately. In same table only you can do the adjustment. Okay? Next पे करेंगे. This is not sufficient. So this is with overdraft facility. This is what? With overdraft. Overdraft. So this will change now. Remaining is same. Remaining is same. So here 15 plus 45 overdraft will also come. So this will be 60 now. Now here one confusion is also there to the students. So overdraft means whenever there is a negative figure in that month it will come now. No, in this question overdraft facility is given at beginning only. Thereafter they have not mentioned. Clear? So first answer how much coming? 30 plus 60 minus 57. 30? 23, huh? Next. What of it? 42 plus 23 minus 60. 90 minus 57, 23 आ रहा है. पहले सही लिखा ना, फिर क्यों गलत बोले? 15. Next. 12. Next. Minus 6. Minus 9. Minus 24. 30. 21. देखिए टेबल में एक भी मिस्टेक होना मार्क्स चले जाते फिर, बड़ा ध्यान से करना है यहाँ पे, टाइम कंज्यूमिंग एंड सम कॉन्सेंट्रेशन रिक्वायर्ड. Concept is not very difficult, main attention required. So 5 times they are falling short, so we have to write this answer now. Third answer. Probability of following Jordan payment if overdraft facility is given. So 5 out of 12. 5 out of 12. So 42% approximately. Approximately how much? 42%. So these are the 5 shortfalls. Okay. Will I copy this? See, I'm explaining very smoothly, very slowly, so that online students will not have any doubts here. Okay, but in repetitive type questions, my speed will increase. Okay, so table completed. Now write this final answer also. चलिए now we'll start the next question, right? Okay. So right now we are starting the next question. Okay. So ABC company is considering the question of marketing a new product. Fixed cost 4,000. Three factors are uncertain: selling price, variable cost, and sales volume. So management has the data of these three factors. If selling price is 3, probability is 0.2, 4 probability 0.5, 5 probability 0.3, variable cost 1 to 3, probability 0.36 and 1, volume 2000, 3000, 5000, probability 0.3, 0.3, 0.4. Consider the following sequence of 30 random numbers. Means 10 trials given. How many trials given? 10. So because of 3 factors, it will be 30. So simulate the average profit. Simulate the average profit. Average profit means we have to calculate the profit for 10 trials divided by 10. Okay. So very simple question. First, we have to prepare the range of random numbers. Range of random numbers for selling price, variable cost, sales volume. Thereafter, we have to calculate the simulated sales, variable cost, and volume. Okay, and profit also. Or directly also we can do the calculation. Then average profit will be required. Thereafter, what is required? Average profit. So first, I will prepare the range for selling price. So probability is 0.2, 0.5, 0.3. So cumulative probability 0.2, 0.7, 1 आएगा. Then range of random numbers will be 0, 0 to 19. Okay, 20 to 49, 50 to 100. Means 99. 50 to 99. This is your range of random numbers. Okay. Next is variable. 0.3, 0.6, 0.1. So cumulative will be 0.3, 0.9, 1. So range of random number will be 00 to 29, 30 to 59, then 60 to 99. Sales volume 0.3, 0.3, 0.4. Cumulative probability 0.3, 0.6, 1. Range of random numbers 00 to 0 means 29, then 30 to 59, then 60 to 99. Okay. Then in this range of random numbers, we have to check where when 81 is random number, what is selling price? When 32 variable cost random number, what is variable cost per unit? And 60 random number, what is volume? Then sales minus variable cost, contribution will come. Contribution into sales, total contribution will come. Total contribution minus fixed cost, profit will come. अंडरस्टैंड? क्लियर है? अब ये स्पीड कर दिया मैं क्वेश्चन. ये अब हर क्वेश्चन ऐसे करते बैठे तो देर होता फिर, बिकॉज दिस इज सिमिलर क्वेश्चन ना. So increase the speed. So understand means I will proceed. Understand? देखिए इधर आप रैंडम नंबर एलोकेशन टेबल, selling price, variable cost, sales volume. So this is selling price, probability, cumulative probability, random number range, variable cost also, sales volume also. Okay. Now first random number is what? 81 for selling price, 32 for variable, 60 for volume. Okay. Now check. So if 81 is the random number, sales value is how much here? Selling price 5 rupees. If 32 is random number, what is variable cost? 2 rupees. If 60 is random number, what is volume? 5000. So simply you can do what? 5000, 5 minus 2, 3 rupees contribution. 3 into 5000 minus 4000 fixed cost. profit will come. Okay, understand? Similarly we have to do for others also. Clear? चलो फटाफट करो. Because see, if you are not understanding, I will solve from beginning. This is your turn. You have to express that, okay? Okay, students who are attending online class, any doubt? First random number is 81. 81 selling price. So random number 81 is falling in the table when selling price is 5. So we recorded a 5 here. Next random number for variable cost is 32. So 32 random number means variable cost 2. 60 random number for quantity given, volume given. So 60 random number is volume is 5000. So 5 selling price, variable cost 2. So 5 minus 2, 3 contribution. 3 into 5000, 15,000 total contribution. Minus 4000 fixed cost is given. So profit will come because total contribution minus fixed cost is profit. अब नेगेटिव भी आ सकता है. Yes, negative is also possible. चलिए, please send the message if this is clear. Directly you can copy or else send your queries. Monte Carlo simulation is used for 1 year data's maximum. More than 1 year data's Monte Carlo simulation mostly not preferable. The previous question 1 year data only given, no? 12 months. They have not given beyond 12 months. Here explanation purpose I use the alphabets also. C minus E contribution, E into quantity total contribution, then minus fixed cost 4000. Okay, so online students are not having any doubt, so they have not sent any message here. अरे वन कैलकुलेशन आई हैव टू शो. क्या शो करना वन कैलकुलेशन? देखो, फर्स्ट when random number is 81, selling price is how much? If random number is 81, selling price how much? 5. If random number is 32, variable cost how much? 2. If random number is 60, quantity how much? 5000. So 5 minus 2, contribution per unit 3 into quantity how much? 5000. Okay, so total contribution fixed cost 4000. So 11,000 profit. So similarly you have to do for others also. Okay, चलिए समझ में आ गया है. Right. Okay, smoothly you can copy without any error in the data. In that way, should copy. Okay, last numbers are visible. Right. So total how much? Calculate this. 11 minus 1, 2, 2 minus plus after doing minus, huh? So 21,000 by 10. So 2,100. This is your final answer. This is your final answer. Okay. Shall I complete this? Simulation conceptually is a easy topic. Only your patience will be tested in writing the content. Because in every table, every question, tables will change. So that is the art you have to learn. Okay. Here some complicated sums will also come when there is a arrival time, waiting time, when there is a inventory management, some complicated questions will also come. Will you now understand? Average profit is required here. So add this and subtract any negative figure is there in that. Then divided by 10 trials. Always whenever average is mentioned, how many numbers addition you are taking in numerator? That will be important. So number of observations are important. We had 10 observations total now, so divide by 10. Yes, last number. First of all, students should bring their own stationery. Okay, so noted, online students. Last amount is 4,800. The selling price 3, variable cost 3. So 0 हो गया है. And volume how much? 200. So 0 into 200, 0. Fixed cost how much? 4,000. So this is 4,000. Not 4,800. Sorry, 4,000. This is 4,000. Okay? Check that. Very simple, na? Yes. Average profit is 21,000 by 10. So 2,100. 2,100. So copy this. Now we'll start next question. Right. Question number 5. An investment company want to study investment project based on market demand, profit and investment required, which are independent of each other, following probability distributions estimated for each of 3 factors: demand, profit, investment. So demand 25,000, 30, 35, 40 like this. Probability is also given. Profit per unit is given. Different probability is given. Investments given. Using simulation process, repeat the trials 10 times and compute investments on each trial, taking these factors into trial. What is the most likely return? Use following random numbers. In the bracket above, the first random number is for demand, second profit, and third one is investment required. See, actually using simulation process, repeat the trials and compute the investments on each trial. Compute the investment नहीं है, return on investment है. क्या है ये? Return on investment. So return on investment, ROI. ROI is what? Earnings by investment. Earnings by investments into 100. So we have to calculate earning. Earning means here profit. Earning means what? Profit. So profit by investment into 100, ROI will come. Return percentage. So very simple. First, normally we have to prepare the demand, profit, investment, random number range. What range? Random number range. Okay. So this question I will solve. Don't worry. पूरा ही फास्ट नहीं करूँगा मैं, तो बच्चे परेशान हो जाएंगे फिर. ओके नहीं पूरे कराना पड़ता ऑनलाइन वालों को, तो व्हाट्सएप पे मैसेजेस आते हैं, मटेरियल में इतने पूरे कराना पड़ता है, तो व्हाट्सएप पे मैसेज आता, सोल्यूशन भिजाओ, बल्कि उतना टाइम नहीं है मेरे पास अब. व्हाट्सएप देख के उन लोगों को सोल्यूशन भिजाओ, उतना टाइम नहीं है, बिजी हो गया है शेड्यूल अब. हाँ 1-2 बैच खत्म हो गया है तो उसके बाद फ्री हो जाता हूँ. जब अब बच्चे क्या समझते, शुरू में मैसेज भी जाए, रिप्लाई नहीं आया तो अच्छा नहीं रहता इम्पैक्ट। सो आफ्टर 1.5 मंथ शेड्यूल थोड़ा फ्री हो जाएगा जब देखेंगे। होमवर्क में दे सकते भाई, बच्चे समझना ना उतना, नहीं समझे फिर व्हाट्सएप पे मैसेज आया तो। चलिए, वी आर स्टार्टिंग सॉल्यूशन टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 5। तो फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट ऑफ random number allocation. Okay, so first we are doing for demand, then profit, then investment. Generally rule here is what, whenever we are arranging the classes for online students, in this material how many questions are given, we have to almost all solve all. Very simple only we should leave. So first this related to demand. क्योंकि मैक्सिमम ऑनलाइन स्टूडेंट्स आर जॉब होल्डर्स, जॉब होल्डर्स है ऑनलाइन वाले, के पास ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं रहता है सॉल्व करने का, समझ गए? This is the reason they are not coming in morning batches also. $55, okay. चलिए, so probability चलिए क्यूमुलेटिव प्रोबेबिलिटी डायरेक्ट लिख सकते हैं 5, 15, 55, 65 सॉरी, दिस इज परसेंटेज समझ लो. Then random numbers. Okay. So first random number is 04. Next 52. Next 35 to 64. Next profit. Okay. Probability. चलिए इसका भी करिए, प्रोबेबिलिटी का भी. 09. 10 to 'Okay. Next investment 27,50,000. You can prepare separately also. मैं एक ही टेबल में डाल दे रहा हूँ पूरा. Only to explain the concept. Okay. You can prepare separately also. This is your choice. Okay. 0.25. चलिए रैंडम नंबर बोलिए. Okay. So this is your first step. फटाफट कॉपी कर दो इसे. Note this fast. Now first sequence is what? 30, 12, 16. So 30, 12, 16 is given. So 30 random number, cumulative probability range 35,000 आ जाएगा. कितना आ जाएगा? 35. Just I am explaining roughly. Next is what? 12. 12 given है for profit. Okay. कितना है वो? 5. Next 16 given. So 2750. कुछ नहीं करना है. 35,000 into 5 करना है. How much? Divided by 27,50,000. खत्म हो गया आंसर. Percentage will come. 35,000 into 5 total profit 175 divided by 27,50,000 into 100. Okay, completed. Chali, after this, what is required? Return on investment. So for return on investment, you have to prepare the simulation table. You have to prepare the simulation table. So this is a statement of simulation. For what? Return on investment. How many trials given? 10. Okay. So first we are preparing the random number for what? Demand. Clear? The random number demand. This is demand. Clear? Next is random number profit, which is profit per unit. Random number investment, this is investment. Finally, return on investment. Finally, what? Return on investment. Trials have 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Random number for demand. Demand. Random number profit. Profit per unit. Random number investment. Okay. So ROI. ROI is what? Total profit. ROI का फॉर्मूला क्या रहता है? टोटल प्रॉफिट, प्रॉफिट बाय इन्वेस्टमेंट. Okay, into 100. क्लियर? चलिए अब कर सकते हैं इजिली. चलिए फर्स्ट रैंडम नंबर इज व्हाट? 30, 30, 59, next 60, 16, next 30, चलिए इसके बाद रैंडम नंबर ये बोलो. 16 था. 31, next random number investment. चलिए डिमांड तो 30 के लिए डिमांड कितना है? 35,000, 40,000, 30, प्रॉफिट इन्वेस्टमेंट $27 lakhs. Next 30, clear? Now profit 5 into 35,000. So actually return on investment calculation is profit by investment. Okay, so profit we have to calculate total profit. So total profit is what? Demand into profit per unit. Demand into profit per unit. Clear? So here total profit will be demand into profit per unit. Okay, right. चलिए so multiply 35,000 into 5, how much? 1,75,000 divided by 27,50,000. 6.36%. Next, similarly we should do for others also. First, next how much? 40,000 into 3, 120 divided by 30 lakhs. Understand? चलिए अब next करो. Okay. Now students have to copy this. ये लिखने का जरूरत तो नहीं है अपने को इधर. फर्स्ट एक बार फिर से बोलिए. 6.4%. नीचे लिख देंगे इधर. चलिए कॉपी दिस फटाफट. Generally, sometime what will happen is when question is lengthy, students will demand the solution. Okay, noted. Okay, next question number 6. Online students, concentrate. Smooth Ride Automobile Company manufactures around 150 scooters. Daily production varies from 146 to 154 units, depending on availability of raw material and other working conditions. Production is ranging from 146 to 154 between this. The completed and probability is given. Completed units of scooters are transported in a specially arranged truck accompanying or accommodating 150 scooters. Using following random numbers, simulate average number of scooters waiting, average number of empty space on the truck. So first we have to prepare the random numbers range. Okay. Thereafter simulation. So random number range, how many trials given here? Okay. And in random numbers, okay. So first step is what? Range of random numbers. Range of random numbers. Allocation. Next is what? Simulation calculation. So first what is given? Demand or production. Okay, this is production. Probability. चलिए after this we can calculate the average number of scooters waiting an empty space. First note this first. Okay, this table completed. See, first I am preparing the number of trials here. 1, 2, total 15 trials given. Huh? Random number first, 80. Okay, now production. Next is what? So first prepare this. So when random number is 80, how much production? 153. Next, 150, 146. This is production. Expected this is. Now after this, what is required? That is important. Okay. So what they are asking, empty space, waiting time, waiting number. So first of all, the Smooth Ride Automobile Company manufacturing around 150 scooters. Okay. So right now they are manufacturing how much? 150 scooters. Clear? So this is expected production. Now current production. Current production is how much? 150 scooters. How many scooters? 150 scooters. Okay, so expected 153, current 150. So after this, what column is required? That is the question mark. So in question they clearly mention ki average number of empty space in the truck and average number of scooters waiting in the factory. अब क्वेश्चन में दिया है completed units of scooters are transported in a specially arranged truck accommodating 150. So in place of current production, you can write capacity also. It means truck capacity. What capacity? Truck capacity. So truck capacity 150. It means if you produce 153, truck will carry 150 only. So 3 weight. 3 will be weight. So instead of production directly आप क्या लिखिए इसको? Truck capacity. Now transported units, waiting units, empty space, empty space. That's it. Okay. So transported unit 153 बना है. Capacity कितनी है? So how many we can transport? So waiting 3 हो जाएगा. Empty space. Next 153. Next. 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 नील. अब देखिए थोड़ा ध्यान दीजिए. वेट वेट वेट. अरे थोड़ा ठहरो जी, मेरे को समझाना दो जरा, ठहरो. वेटिंग यूनिट्स 3 है ना? तो प्रीवियस दिन के वेटिंग यूनिट्स कहाँ जाएंगे फिर? समझिएगा, बाहर फेंक देने के लिए. दिस इज ए व्हाट दे आर मैन्युफैक्चरिंग? स्कूटर. The scooter is a perishable item, huh? So waiting units will increase or not? तो 3 यहाँ पर कितने हो जाएंगे? 3 + 3 6. यहाँ पे कितना हो जाएगा? 6 + 2, यहाँ पे 8 + 2 10. ऐसा रहेगा. Because this is not a perishable item, ना? Perishable रहा तो if the same item is not transported, it should be disposed. Understand? So 146, 150. So how much we can transport? Previously we have waiting units how much? 10. See, this question you can solve in different way also. In what way? Ki day by day we are checking this. Day by day we are checking this. Previous day units we are not taking into consideration for next day. In that way also can solve, but you should write a note on that. Directly if you solve, examiner will not give the mark because this is not a perishable item na. So previously manufactured units should be there in or not. That is important. So वहाँ ध्यान लगाना. So 146 production capacity 150A. So now 146 they can transport. So previously 10 units are there ना. Out of 10 अब कितने आ गए इधर अब 4 आ गए तो कितना हो जाएगा 150. तो 10 minus 4 हो जाएगा ये. एम्प्टी स्पेस ऐसा करना पड़ेगा. अंडरस्टैंड? नेक्स्ट, दिस इज 6 ओनली. नेक्स्ट, नेक्स्ट, जल्दबाजी नहीं करना, सिमुलेशन में मिस्टेक हो सकता है. नेक्स्ट, टू, देन करेक्ट. हियर 2 dash. नेक्स्ट, नेक्स्ट, next, अंडरस्टैंड? दिस इज रिक्वायर्ड. जल्दबाजी नहीं करना. यहाँ ब्रेड है, केक है, वेजिटेबल है, फटाफट मारो. तो नॉन पेरिशेबल गुड्स मीन्स वी शुड प्रॉपरली मैनेज. ओके, बुरा नहीं समझना मैं जो बीच में बोल रहा हूँ आपको, बिकॉज एग्जामिनेशन इफ यू मेड द मिस्टेक ना, so one silly mistake, entire answer will be damaged, marks will be lost. Okay, so waiting units total करो 9 है. Okay, अब empty space so much 5 है. That's it, copy करो ये. So average if you want to calculate means इस पूरे को ऐड करना, डिवाइड बाय 15 कर देना. तो पूरा ऐड करो, ये कितना हो रहा है? सी फर्स्ट डे 3 है, नेक्स्ट डे 6 हो गए, फिर 8, 10, 6 पूरा ऐड करना पड़ेगा ना. करो फिर, क्योंकि एवरेज पूछ रहा ना वहाँ, तो ऐड करो कितना हो रहा है. How much? 60? मैन कॉपी करो. सने बोल रहा हूँ. क्वेश्चन में क्या बोल रहा है? एवरेज नंबर ऑफ स्कूटर्स वेटिंग इन द फैक्ट्री. सो फर्स्ट डे हाउ मेनी यूनिट्स? 3. सेकेंड डे हाउ मेनी यूनिट्स? 6, 8, 10, फिर 6 हो गया, फिर 6 हो गया, फिर 2, 1, 0, then again 0, then 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 70, 71. लास्ट डे हाउ मेनी स्कूटर्स आर वेटिंग मीन्स 9 रहता आंसर. वो एवरेज मीन्स टोटल बाय वो इंटरमीडिएट का ऐसे मैच नहीं करना मेरे से. नहीं, कोई बात नहीं, इंटरमीडिएट से मैच मत करो, क्योंकि फाइनल में अपन को जो है अलग पढ़ना रहता है. लास्ट डे 9 स्कूटर्स आर वेटिंग, सो एवरेज में कितना रहेगा 71/15. अब ऐसा बोलो तो एम्प्टी स्पेस लास्ट में कुछ भी नहीं आ रहा, जीरो डालेंगे. लास्ट डे एम्प्टी स्पेस इज जीरो ना, तो आंसर जीरो रहेगा क्या वो? So little bit concentration is required. Be careful while doing the calculations. Perishable goods means your answer is 100% correct. But previously manufactured units compulsory will carry forward in the next day. So first answer is what? Average number of scooters waiting. So 71/15. .73. Average number of empty space. ओके हाँ, ऐसा भी लिख सकते हैं आप डायरेक्टली टोटल एम्प्टी स्पेस इज 5, 2 times only. How many times? 2 times. But average number when he's asking, so 5/15 करना पड़ेगा. 0.33. It means out of 15 trials, 5 units only empty बता रहा है उन्होंने. 5 units only empty. चलिए completed. चलिए, so next class we will start new varieties of sum. Next tomorrow class good questions will cover. Okay, कुछ अच्छे क्वेश्चंस रहेंगे अगले क्लास में. चलो, so I am closing the session here. Yes, clear now? Right.